Hi viewers, welcome to Rasavinsuvai. Today I am going to make a gunpowder with the dried coriander. For the taken 1 cup of coriander, washed and put it in a kitchen towel and dried it. Along with I have put 1 sprig of curry leaves also. And I have taken small stems like see this will get grind along with the dal nicely, so I have taken the small stems also along with this. Here I have taken 3/4 cup of urad dal roasted along with little of oil and hing powder, a generous pinch salt, and a small piece of tamarind also I have roasted in the oil, and 4 to 5 red chilli I have roasted. I am going to grind this separately. First I will grind the coriander first, then I will grind this separately and mix it. We make Kothamalli Podi with green coriander, that is the wet one. The link I will give it in the description box, you can check that also. That we serve along with rice, curd rice and dal rice. If you are watching my channel for the first time, do subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment. Press the bell icon and all so that you will get the notification whenever I upload the video. Eat healthy, stay healthy. See you soon with another interesting recipe. Till then, bye bye.